Hello, young scientists. Welcome back to Abdali Grammar School YouTube channel. Today, we're going to dive into the amazing world of matter. Are you ready to learn about what everything around us is made of? Let's get started. Before we talk about matter, let's define what it is. Matter is everything that takes up space and has mass. Look around you, and you'll see different objects made of matter, like your toys, books, and even the air we breathe. A pumpkin takes up space and has mass. Mass is the amount of matter in an object. What is matter made of? Now, let's uncover what matter is made of. Matter is composed of tiny building blocks called atoms. These atoms are so small that you can't see them with your eyes. They are like the Lego pieces that come together to make different things. Different kinds of atoms come together in different ways to create different types of matter. Just like Lego pieces can be used to build a house or a car, atoms combine to make different objects around us. States of matter. Now, let's talk about the states of matter. Matter can exist in 3 different states: solid, liquid, and gas. Each state has its own unique properties. Solids have a fixed shape and volume. Think about your favorite toys or a pencil. They don't change their shape easily. Liquids, on the other hand, take the shape of the container they are in, but they still have a definite volume. Imagine pouring water into a glass. It takes the shape of the glass. Gases are different from solids and liquids. They don't have a fixed shape or volume. They can fill up any space. For example, think about how air fills up a balloon when you blow air into it. Changes in states of matter. Now, let's explore how matter can change from one state to another. This is called changing the state of matter or changing its form. One way matter can change states is through heating or cooling. When you heat a solid, like ice, it melts and becomes a liquid. And if you heat that liquid even more, it can turn into a gas, like steam. The opposite can happen too. When you cool down a gas, it can turn into a liquid, and when you cool it down further, it can become a solid. These changes in states of matter are fascinating and happen all around us. From ice cubes melting in your drink to water evaporating and forming clouds, matter is constantly transforming. Thanks for watching. Stay curious, young scientists, and keep exploring the wonders of science.